hey there, so we finished putting up all the drywall. I'm just wiping off a part of this wall so we can mud it and tape it. So we've got this random board attached to the roof we're going to take down. It was put up there to stick a ceiling fan on it, but we're going to be doing something else with the roof, so I'm going to take it off. And I made a little boo-boo putting in this drywall. The piece of drywall I cut out for the electrical sockets fell behind, and I really didn't notice it till I had almost this entire board attached. So we gotta do a little repair. Got it, no more bulge. We're just gonna stick the same piece right back in. And after we tape it and mud it, you'll never know. Getting a couple more screws in place to keep it nice and flush. Now we're using this drywall tape to help join together all the sheets. You run this down all the seams between the boards, and then when you spackle it, looks like there's no seam at all. And here is a big box of drywall joint compound. Cost about $12 down at Home Depot, if you could believe that. And we've got this tool here. It also costs about $12. Here we go. One seam down, 111 more to go. And maybe 20. Now in some of these corners, we've got a bit of a gap where the drywall meets the existing stucco wall. So we're using tape, and we're just gonna fill it up with a whole bunch of this here mud. Some of the screw heads were sticking out a little too far, so I'm just going and giving them a touch up, so when you put on this mud, they disappear right into the wall. Just like that, gone. I'm using this little flexible art supply tool here. It's for oil painting, but it works absolutely perfectly on the screw holes. This top joint between the ceiling and the walls was the hardest part to do. But we've got this 90-degree trowel, which makes it nice and easy to get all the mud right into the corners. Well, we're almost done for the day. Just gonna tape up this corner, fill it with the mud, and we'll be good to go. Over the next couple of days, I'm gonna come and do any touch-up that's needed. If I missed any gaps or anything set, we'll do a little bit more mud, then we're gonna sand and get ready to paint. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.